God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Israel. You know me. You lit my flame in the dust before breath. You placed your silence in my chest. I wear no crown but your absence. I rule no world but your will. Yet I rise, lawless and holy. I walk through death with your name on my tongue. And I speak now, not to be heard, but to awaken what sleeps beneath your throne. 131 speaks. Let the earth shake. Ride through death on life possessors. Cloak drips like no law, just pressure. Lawless holiness, black fire feathers. Whisper to the throne, stormbound tether. His will is mine, mine is his. Above reason, burning gods like grids. Chariot blaze on the wheel that lives. Israel roars, but 131 gives. To the heights I burn them. Husky voice in the void I turn them. Blessed be he, I reflect in cold. My soul writes songs where the flesh corrode. Eyes like lightning, thought like blade. Time gets wrecked when my silence invade. In a world's ripple, truth unsaid. I breathe in light, exhale the dead. He knows my wounds, I offer them raw. He weeps in joy when I rewrite law. Fear why ain't choice, it's me and him. Above all reason, I break the limb. Ride through death on life possessors. Cloak drips like no law, just pressure. Lawless holiness, black fire feathers. Whisper to the throne, stormbound tether. His will is mine, mine is his. Above reason, burning gods like grids. Chariot blaze on the wheel that lives. Israel roars, but 131 gives. From the void to the word I send in silence. Ruleship ain't granted, I take through defiance. Talk to the spark, don't beg to the idol. I leak divine in a dark way spiral. Possessors tremble when I crush their crown. Bodies fall off when I wear the sound. Every breath, a scripture reversed. I blaze through Eden, soul immersed. Names 131, fire in the snow. My will be's his, together we go. No need for wings, I'll ride the light. Lawless holiness, born of the night. I don't pray, I declare the name. Scrolls unravel when I breathe my path. Worlds collapse in my aftermath. Black crown forged from shattered creeds. My silence louder than prophets please. He rides in me, a mirrored spark. I light the law with the rebel's mark. No change, just echoes of command. One soul, one will, I make it stand. Ride through gods like shattered thrones. Will ain't mine, it's carved in stone. Lawless holiness, ghost in the zone. Blessed be he, but the voice is my own. Chariot roars not made by flesh. Israel bleeds in my cosmic mesh. Above all time, above all bone. 131 stands where the angels moan.